Coating PCB panels with solder mask is an important part of the printed circuit board manufacturing process. Solder mask is the protective layer most commonly seen on the surface of a finished PCB. It helps cover and protect the copper traces while leaving specific areas exposed for component soldering. During this stage, solder mask is applied to the panel to help improve reliability, protect against oxidation, and reduce the risk of shorts during assembly. Because solder mask is sensitive to UV light, it must be handled and processed carefully to ensure the circuit pattern is properly defined. A consistent coating helps support long-term board performance, cleaner soldering, and better overall manufacturability. While it may look like a simple process, solder mask plays a major role in protecting the circuitry and helping the finished PCB perform as intended.